Let's go to work.
So we get called to this job, which is a Promax Potterton, and the tenant's saying there's no faults, no issues, just to do a regular service. Isolate the boiler, drain the expansion vessel, the usual. This is what we found. So initially I thought this may be just the cable, but then on taking the electrodes out, clearly bent out of shape, and this is also why the boiler was so noisy. It's struggling to ignite, and it's probably just arcing everywhere.
That's okay. Just give them a little clean.
So then there's a bit of a weep there that I thought I'll just check it later. Inside of the casing's really sooty and dirty everywhere, which I thought it might be something else, but it's just the environment that this thing lives in, sucking in a lot of pollution.
These can be quite awkward to get to, these. So what we do...
So a little valve there to make our lives a little bit easier. Angle valve.
You've got an easy way.
Pressurise the expansion, get it to 12 or thereabouts psi. Bit of water comes out of this one.
Good enough for this boiler.
Jump in the van, cyclist going the wrong way down the A40. Lovely Art Deco building in West London for you. Off to the merchant, local one there, pick up one of these. Electrodes, what a difference. Clear difference in the shape. Dash back to the job, fit the part, and it's a lot quieter. The only issue is that the next day, would you believe, I get called, 2 more faults. Anyway, I'll see you on the next one. Hope you enjoyed it. Give us a big thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to the channel.